Here are some useful ways to use the refined results as part of our advanced search feature. Let's say I wanted to do a search for books about Chicago history. I'm going to start by searching Chicago history in our search bar. You can see the number of results just from Chicago history here, and you can adjust the results per page here. There's also an option to search between list view or grid view, so it's all based on your own preference. On the left, we have some advanced search features that we can use to narrow down our search. If you don't see the refined results on the left side of your browser, you can make it appear by selecting Advanced Search under the search bar. To narrow down my search, I'm going to activate some of the filters available. Let's say I'm only interested in material that is currently at the library. I'm going to check the box under Availability and next to At Library, and then I'll hit Apply at the bottom to add that to my search. If you would like this filter to remain on your search results, you can lock it by closing this lock. So adding that filter brought our results down to just over 1,800. Let's see if we can narrow down our search a tad bit more. If I want only recently published books, I can add a filter under date. This is by the publication date. So let's say I only want books published in the past 5 years. To apply it, I'm going to hit Apply. That narrowed our search down quite a bit. We can also narrow our search down by format. If I'm looking for only physical books, I can select Book and Large Print. If you want to see more format options, you can select all formats here. Then Apply. You can also search by collections. So let's say adult nonfiction, Illinois collection, new adult fiction. Apply. We have narrowed down our search quite enough. If you are ever interested, you can also save a search to your account. So on the right side, you'll go ahead and select Save Search. If you're not already logged in, you will have to log in. Once you are logged into your account, you can name your search. So let's say Chicago history. To return to one of your previously saved searches, select Save Searches on the bottom bar across your screen. Then you can select your saved search. If you have any questions or need more assistance with advanced search, feel free to contact us at 847-985-4000.